Hi all you beautiful people out there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm creating this very beautiful plum purple look. I'm wearing a very embellished plum garment which I'm going to model for you full length at the end of the video. So watch this video until the end. If you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, ring the bell, and if you have anything to say to me, mention it in the comment box below. I would love to have some likes on this video, so please do hit the like button. A big shout out to all my to-be brides. This look is so perfect for your sagan or even for your reception ceremony. And for my newly wedded brides, this look is so amazing for your first dinner or for your first festival coming up. So without further chit-chatting, let's dive right into the video. For moisturizer today, I'm using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel. This is a very hydrating moisturizer, works wonders under makeup, loving it currently. I'm going to go ahead and put Sebamed, my chapstick. Lately my lips have been really chapped. I think it's because of monsoon. This really hydrates my lips really well. I'm going in with my MAC Pro Long Wear as my concealer today. This is a very full coverage concealer, placing it on my lids, on my brow bone and under my eyes. And I'm going to blend it well with a damp sponge. Now this concealer really works well when I have to use a lot of shadows. It really doesn't budge from its place and doesn't crease. I'm going to go ahead and set the concealer with my Laura Mercier loose powder in the color Translucent. Now why do I pick up the powder with a damp sponge is because it really helps set the concealer in place, and this powder is so finely milled that it really adds a beautiful base to the eyes, and a perfect base in fact, on which I'm going to put my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. I'm going to place the primer on my lids and also on my brow bone area. This primer is beautiful when it comes to using any kind of eyeshadows on top. Now going in with my Makeup Revolution So Fix palette and picking up this very beautiful color called Pancake, and I'm going to place this color with a very fluffy packed brush all over my eyes and even on my brow bone. This basically is adding a base for all the other eyeshadows to come in. So if you can see, I'm just blending it out all over on top of my lids and also on the brow bone area. Now going in with this very beautiful Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. This is a beginner's palette and I love the colors in here. I'm going to pick up this transition color on my fluffy crease brush and I'm going to go and blend this in on top of my crease. If you see, I'm using sweeping motions and circular motions to blend this color in. It's a beautiful transition color. Now going in with a fluffy brush from Real Techniques. This is a crease brush, and picking up this very beautiful plum purple color, and I'm going to put this directly into my crease. Again, I'm going to blend it well, but I'm not going to take anywhere on top of the crease. I'm just going to keep it in the crease itself. Going back to my PAC fluffy brush, I'm going to blend in the transition color and the crease color. And I'm going to be using swiping or circular motions again to blend the entire look in very well. Now I'm going to pick up this slightly shimmery color from Wet n Wild palette and place it all over my lids. It's a beautiful color and it really complements the rest of the eye makeup. Going back into the Sofix palette and picking up this very beautiful glittery pink color called Pink Champagne, and I'm going to place it in the inner corners of my eyes. This color is so beautiful that it's really complementing the whole look, and it also really opens up the eye very quickly, like you see. Going in with the same Sofix palette and picking up this very plum color called Mixed Berries, and I'm going to place it in the center of my eyelid and then moving outwards towards the outer corner. I'm then going to take a fluffy brush from PAC and blend the entire color into the crease. I'm going to go in back with my fluffy brush and take the transition color from the Wet n Wild palette, and I'm just going to blend everything that I placed on my eyelids, basically just blending in the whole look. Now with a pencil brush, I'm taking the transition color from the Wet n Wild and I'm going to smudge this to give a smoky effect in my lower lash line. I'm now going to pick up the plum color from the Wet n Wild palette and with the same pencil brush, and I'm again smoking it out under my lower lash line. Basically, if you see, I am starting from the outer corners and blending it towards the inner corner. However, I don't go all the way towards the inner corner. I'm just taking it through where my eyelashes are. Going back to the Sofix palette and picking up that Mixed Berries eyeshadow and then blending it out even further on my lower lash line. With my Real Techniques crease brush, I'm going to blend out all the eyeshadows on my lower lash line. For liner today, I'm using my most favorite Deborah eyeliner. This is a matte liner, and with the help of this felt tip, which is a very fine tip, I'm going to create a winged eye look. And I'm going to go a little overboard with the eyeliner and make a very beautiful fat wing like you see right here. The eyeliner is in place. I'm now going to go in and put my falsies and be right back. I'm now taking my color bar kohl and I'm going to line my lower waterline and also my upper waterline. Going in with my most favorite drugstore mascara, the Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara. I'm going to be adding this on my lower lashes. I've already added this on my upper lashes. With the help of a wet wipe, I'm going to clean my face to remove any kind of fallout from the eyeshadows, and I'm now going to take my sponge, and the sponge is actually damp. I'm going to spray my MAC Prep and Prime and then press it in all over my face. This helps set a good base for the foundation to come on top. Now going in with my Maybelline Superstay foundation, and I'm going to dot this all over my face as always, and then with the help of a damp sponge I'm going to blend it out. Now I love dotting the foundation because I really feel it helps blend the product in really well, and also if you're dotting it, it spreads out evenly on your face. Taking my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, I'm going to highlight the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, on my forehead and also my chin. I'm also going to place a little bit under my eyes and blend it out well. Okay, that's me goofing around. I've been in this goofy mood today for some reason. Going back with my Laura Mercier loose powder, I'm going to set my forehead and also the entire of my T-zone because I get really oily there, and the Superstay foundation is not super matte, it's a demi matte finish on me, so I like to set the foundation on my T-zone. For brows today, I'm using the Wet n Wild retractable pencil. I am loving this pencil lately. I'm going to brush my brows with a spoolie first, and then with the retractable part, I'm going to line my eyebrows. Now this color is medium brown and it's perfect for me because I don't like very dark brown kind of a look on my brows. I like a very subtle brown. For contouring today, I'm using the Nykaa foundation stick. This is a darker color 07, which actually suits perfectly for me for contour. This is a very hyped product and I really wanted to try my hands on this. So we're going to try it out today and see how it works for me. The contour looks great and this stick actually really blended out really well. I didn't have to put in a lot of effort and just with my brush it really blended out well. I'm going to go in with my Hoola bronzer, one of my favorite high-end bronzers, and I'm going to put this on the hollows of my cheeks, on my temples and also on my forehead. I don't like to go overboard to contour or bronze my forehead because I have a medium-sized forehead. I don't have a very large forehead that I need to actually contour it and make it look smaller. So I just use my hand very lightly on bronzers and contour sticks. For blush today, I'm using the Wet n Wild blush in Pearlescent Pink. This is a beautiful blush and I've been loving it lately. Suits perfect for my skin tone. It is really nice and peachy. So going to place this on my cheeks. For highlighter today, I'm using this Makeup Revolution Face Quad. I'm going to use this very bronzy glittery shade and I'm going to place it on the high points of my face, mainly on my brow bone and on my cheekbone. Then going back in the same quad and picking up the shade next to it, which is a very goldeny champagne shade, and I'm going to place this on my nose, on the bridge of my nose, and also on my cupid's bow, a bit on my forehead and also on my chin. With the help of a pencil brush from PAC, I'm going to pick up this same golden champagne color and I'm going to place it in the inner corners of my eyes to make my eyes pop. Going back to my MAC Fix Plus, I'm going to spritz it all over my face to set the entire makeup. For lipstick today, first I'm going to go in with this Deborah pencil liner and then I'm going to fill my lips with the same pencil. On top of that, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Trendsetter Matte Lip Color. To make the look a little bit glamorous, I'm going to pick up this very bronzy shade from the Makeup Revolution highlighter palette and I'm going to apply it on my collarbones. Okay, so there we go again. This is me being goofy yet again. So guys, this is it. I loved creating this very beautiful plum purple look. It really complements this very gorgeous embellished garment. Now if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon and the like button. I would love to have some likes in this video. If you have anything to say to me, please do mention it in the comment box below. Until I see you next, love you all. Bye bye.